The way our season come out, so we're gonna put our saltfish in it. Not saltfish, sorry. We're gonna put our salmon in it. That's mean I feel like eating saltfish. I love saltfish, by the way. So we're going to open. That's my salmon, and it has something inside. I love this type of salmon. Yeah. It has seafood stuffing inside. It's already clean. It's not something you need to be clean, but for them, I think for regular people, they would just make it like this without putting it in season. I like season, so I had to put it in season. Something that I do also, I pick it with a fork so it can take the taste inside. So yeah, we have that. I need a flat thing so it will not break. I should have do this overnight. I like when I put my things overnight. So we have that. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cook it now. You see, we're gonna cook it. We're going to cook it. So we're gonna make our food, right? We're gonna make our salmon. Where is mine? Enough oil because I'm gonna eat it with plantain, boiled plantain and sweet potatoes. So we're going to put our salmon. And we're gonna lower the thing.